Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp web not syncing or logging out again and again. Let's go through them step by step. The first method is relinking WhatsApp web. This is the most reliable fix in many cases. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. If you are using Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap linked devices. You will see a list of devices connected to your WhatsApp account. Tap the browser session that is having problems and select logout. After logging out, tap link a device. Now open web.whatsapp.com on your computer. A QR code will appear on the screen. Scan this QR code using your phone to link WhatsApp web again. If you are using an iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to settings, tap linked devices and then tap link a device. Scan the QR code on your computer again. This refreshes the connection and usually fixes most syncing issues. The second method is clearing your browser data. Sometimes old cookies or cached data can break WhatsApp web syncing. Open your browser settings. Find the option called Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached files, then clear them. After that, reopen your browser and go back to web.whatsapp.com. If you use browsers like Brave or other privacy-focused browsers, disable shields or privacy extensions for WhatsApp web. Some extensions can block the scripts WhatsApp needs to sync messages. You can also try opening WhatsApp web in an incognito or private window. Since extensions are usually disabled there, this helps confirm if a browser extension is causing the issue. The third method is using a supported and updated browser. WhatsApp web works best on browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, Opera, Comet, and more. If you are using an outdated browser, update it to the latest version. Sometimes WhatsApp web may stop working properly after a browser update or extension change. In that case, try opening WhatsApp web in a different browser to see if it loads normally. If it works in another browser, the issue is likely related to browser compatibility or extensions. The fourth method is checking your phone and internet connection. WhatsApp web depends on both your phone and computer being connected to the internet. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Also check that your computer is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off temporarily because it can interfere with WhatsApp syncing. It also helps to restart both your phone and your computer because background network glitches can block syncing. Also make sure WhatsApp is updated on your phone from the Play Store or App Store. Another thing to remember, linked devices may stop syncing properly if your primary phone has not been used for a long time. Opening WhatsApp on your phone again usually refreshes the session. If you are in India, there is another possible reason. Users experience repeated WhatsApp web logouts because of SIM verification policies. In those cases, WhatsApp web sessions may automatically log out after a few hours, even if everything else is working properly. So, if the issue keeps coming back even after fixing everything, it may be related to policy restrictions rather than a browser problem. Quick recap. If WhatsApp web is not syncing or keeps logging out, try these fixes. Relink WhatsApp web from linked devices. Clear your browser cookies and cache. Use an updated, supported browser. Check your internet connection and phone. Restart both devices and update WhatsApp. These steps solve most WhatsApp web syncing problems. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if WhatsApp web is still not working for you, tell me which browser and phone you are using in the comments and I'll try to help you fix it.